In this question, it says which polyhedron can be formed by this type of knit. So what we know about a knit is that essentially it's the unfolded faces of the three-dimensional object, in this case some type of polyhedron. So what we'd like to do is identify the types of faces and the number of those types of faces we have here, and then look for a corresponding example in our choices which are given below. So in this knit, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rectangular faces, and I've got 2 hexagons. So I'm looking for a shape that has 6 rectangles or rectangular faces. And has 2 hexagonal faces. So I'm going to scroll down now and look at my choices. So if I scroll to my first choice, see I've got a prism here, and on the top I've got a 6-sided figure, or face, which would be my hexagon. And I can see I've got another one there on the bottom. So I've got 2 hexagons. And then around the sides, I can see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 rectangles. And that's exactly what I was looking for. If I go back to my image above, I was looking for 6 rectangles and 2 hexagons. So my choice here would have to be